Now the next we have how metals and non-metals react. So we have to react the metal and non-metal now. As we have studied in the previous class about electronic configuration, suppose we have the element having atomic number 6. So we have to arrange them according to the rule. In first of the shell there is 2 electron, in second of the shell there is 4 electrons. So to fill the second shell we have to add 4 more electrons, so the configuration is 2 8 8 16. So we have to follow that criteria here. From the above discussion you saw the reaction of metal with a number of reagents. As we have observed, the metals, they are reacting with water, they are reacting with oxygen, they are reacting with acid. So we have seen different type of reactions of metals. Now we will react the metal with non-metal. It is given here. We will learn the electronic configuration of elements. We learnt about noble gases. Now what are noble gases? The gases which are having stable electronic configuration in which the outermost shells are completely filled. They are called noble gases. Which have a completely filled valence shell. We can see table 3.3 that a sodium atom has 1 electron in its outermost shell. Now tell me what is the atomic number of sodium? That is 11. If it loses 1 electron from its M shell, so if the atomic number of the sodium is 11, so what is the electronic configuration? In first of the shell there will be 2 electrons, in second of the shell there will be 8, and in last of the outermost shell there is 1 electron. So to attain the noble gas configuration, it has to lose 1 electron to complete its octet. So by losing 1 electron, if we are losing 1 electron, we gain positive charge. 1 electron is loose here, so its electronic configuration becomes 2, 8, and the positive charge ion, that is called sodium cation. Although also we have chlorine having atomic number 17, so the electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. So its outermost shell is having 7 electron. It requires 1 electron to gain the complete octet. So it gains 1 electron and form chlorine negative ion, and chlorine negative ion is called chloride anion. Chloride anion. So Cl negative is formed here. See the reaction. Na positive, whenever it reacts with Cl negative, they form NaCl, because 1 electron which is having extra on sodium, it will impart to the chlorine, and they sharing the bond, they form NaCl. So this is the formation of sodium chloride, that is NaCl. Sodium and chloride ions are of opposite charges. Because they are of opposite charges, sodium is of positive, chlorine is of negative, attract each other and are held by strong electrostatic force of attraction. Let we see one more ionic compound, and they form the ionic compound. So the next we have, suppose Mg having atomic number 12, magnesium. So the electronic configuration for magnesium is 2, 8, 2. So its outermost shell having 2 electron. To gain the noble gas configuration, it has to lose 2 electron. So it forms Mg2 positive by losing 2 electron, plus 2 electron is lost here. So it forms 2, 8, that is magnesium cation. Positive ion is called magnesium cation. Further, chlorine, which we have discussed earlier, it gains 1 electron to attain the outermost shell completely filled, that is 2, 8, 8, and it forms chloride anions. Now see here, as magnesium is losing 2 electrons, so 2 chlorine will gain 2 electrons, and they form MgCl2, that is magnesium chloride. So this is the formation of magnesium chloride. Compounds formed in this manner by transfer of electron from a metal to a non-metal are known as ionic compounds. So which type of compounds are formed here? They are the ionic compounds. Clear?